Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tradomatics Pre-Market Index Analysis. Let's come to the point. Nifty again takes uptrend rally and breaks 11,800 to 850 resistance level. So my observation in the present scenario of Nifty is if it sustain above 11,800 to 850, then it's likely move for 12,000 again. Otherwise, below 11,800 to 850, it will comes down for 11,500 to 600 reversal support zone. Let's come to Nifty chart. 12,000 is major resistance for Nifty and the midpoint is 11,800 and the major support is 11,600. So finally Nifty start its rally for 12,000 with support of 11,800. If it comes down below 11,800, it's likely move for 11,600 for reversal. Let's come to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty above 24,200 to 500 on last trading session. So for now, if Bank Nifty sustain above 24,200 to 500, then it's likely try for 25,300 resistance zone again. Else, it's try to maintain a range bound move between 23,800 to 24,500 or below 23,800, it's try to reverse from 23,200. Let's come to Bank Nifty chart. From support of 24,000, it's reverse and sustain above its range bound resistance zone, that 24,200 to 500. So for now, as per chart formation, if it sustain above 24,200 to 500, it's likely move for 25,300. Otherwise, it will try to maintain a range bound move in between 23,800 to 24,500 zone. As per my exploration, there have some trading opportunity for index future. That's for Nifty future, there have a crucial resistance for Nifty future, that 12,069. To achieve this resistance, there are two more resistances, that's 11,930 and 12,000. So there have a crucial support for Nifty future also, that 11,689. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports, that's 11,800 and 11,729. Same as there have a crucial resistance for Bank Nifty future also, that 25,289. To achieve this resistance, there have two more resistances, that's 24,965 and 25,089. Same as there have a crucial support for Bank Nifty future, that 23,865. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports, that's 24,489 and 24,089. As per my exploration, there have some volatile stocks for intraday trading with trading range and midpoint. So what is the trading range and what is the midpoint? If a stock sustain above its midpoint and it increases volume with price, then the upper range is denotes for its higher resistance to achieve with support of midpoint. Same as if a stock sustain below its midpoint with increases volume, then lower range is denotes for its reversal support with resistance as midpoint. HDFC Bank, that LTP is 1233. Its upper range is 1275 and lower range is 1210. So if it sustain above its midpoint, that 1245, then it's likely try for its upper range or upper resistance, that 1275 with support of its midpoint, that 1245. Same as if it sustain below its midpoint, that 1245 with increases volume, then it's likely reverse from its lower range or lower reversal support, that 1210. So you can note down every stock's LTP with midpoint for intraday trading. HDFC Bank, that LTP is 1233. Britannia, that LTP is 3572. Hindustan Unilever, that LTP is 2176. Pidilite, that LTP is 1526. Divi's Lab, that LTP is 3156. Tata Consumer, that LTP is 498. ICICI Bank, that LTP is 409. Biocom, that LTP is 413. Tech Mahindra, that LTP is 828. Maruti, that LTP is 7,158. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint for